I have spent over 10 years in manufacturing plants, as well as being a general manager, and I've watched the same 5 mistakes destroy productivity, rack up injuries, and cost thousands week after week. They weren't rare problems, they happened every day on the floor. And the number 3 one is the most supervisors miss completely. And fixing it alone turned my worst shifts completely around. Stay with me, I'll show you each one, a real example from my plant, the damage it caused, and exactly how I stopped it cold. I'm breaking this down fast. 5 mistakes rank from common to the most damaging. For each, you'll get why it hurts, proof from my experience, and the practical fixes I use. If you're on the floor leading shifts, one of these is likely costing you right now. Mistake number 5, waiting for equipment to break down before fixing it. No real preventative maintenance. We chased production so hard that we skipped checks, and then boom, a sudden breakdown that would cost us 4 hours of downtime each week. Plus scrap and overtime, we're just losing money. Safety risks were spiking. How I fixed it? We did a mandatory daily maintenance walk with a simple checklist. Operators or maintenance personnel would walk around, checking things off as they looked over all of the machinery. Nothing fancy, just consistency. We also made sure that we had backup parts stocked for major items like motors and belts and pumps. Critical stuff that could shut us down if we didn't have it. Downtime dropped by 50%, and we caught issues before they failed. No more waiting days for a delivery while your line is dead. Start small. Pick the most critical machines first, inspect them every shift, and build a basic spare parts list for high-impact failures. It works. Mistake number 4, letting the floor get dirty, cluttered, and disorganized. Spills, tools left out, trash piling up. It's not just ugly, it's actually dangerous. Hidden hazards cause slips, falls, and audit fails. I had incidents tied directly to mess. Plus, efficiency kills when you're losing time hunting for parts that you can't find in the mess. The fix. We enforced 5S basics. Sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Daily end of shift cleanup, 5 minutes max. We tied it to accountability. There was no exceptions. Cleanliness improved safety scores, cut incidents, and made the floor faster to run. If your place is messy, start there. It's the easiest high-impact change you can make. Mistake number 3, the one overlooked the most. Assuming people know what to do with weak or no real training. New hires are just thrown in. Cross-training was skipped. It leads to errors, rework, quality drops, and accidents. I lost product and time because someone wasn't trained on a key step. My solution was structured onboarding plus targeted cross-training, pairing your weaker performers with the strongest ones for hands-on shadowing and skill transfer. We focused on building depth in critical roles, one-on-one coaching until they could handle it solo. No big classes, just real floor practice with sign-offs. Errors fell, team depth rose, and turnover erased because people built real capability and confidence. Don't assume. Pair deliberately and train hands-on. It pays back fast in fewer mistakes and in more resilient shift. Mistake number 2, poor accountability, favoritism, supervisors scared to enforce rules, or no follow-through. Rules get ignored, problems repeat, team morale tanks. I had shifts where favoritism killed discipline, leading to more call-ins and resentment. Fix, clear, consistent standards. Applied evenly, daily huddles for reinforcement, quick coaching for infractions, no yelling, just facts and consequences. I documented everything fairly, discipline improved, respect went up, and performance followed. Hold the line fairly, and the floor changes. Mistake number 1, the most dangerous. Bypassing guards, skipping on PPE, poor lockout, tagout, for speed, production pressure, temps shortcuts, but one contact injury costs way more than any delay. I've investigated too many close calls, and in one bad one, it changed everything. How I stopped it? A zero tolerance policy. Guards inspected daily, PPE reviews, incidents dropped to near zero, audits passed clean. Guard everything, enforce it, and protect your people first. So here's the recap. 5 through 1, preventative maintenance, housekeeping, training, accountability, and guarding. Fix even one and your floor runs smoother, better, and cheaper. I know because I live these fixes on real shifts. Which one of these is hitting your plant the hardest right now? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more real fixes on the plant floor. Also in the description, you'll see my free toolkit. It's got templates of safe work procedures, onboarding, scorecards, and more. And if you want to jump onto a free 15-minute phone call, it will also be in the description. You can go ahead and click in there and set yourself up, or you can also drop the word consult and I'll respond back and we can set up a time. I'm Brad with Murdoch Manufacturing, and I'll see you in the next one.